clothes in there. I need to. Hello, I'm Muttonstyle, and today I am doing an unboxing of a box from Lookiero. I don't know how to pronounce it. I'm not sure if it's Lookiero or Lookiero. Anyway, it's a Spanish clothes style box, and this is my first. So, first impressions, it's come wrapped in a plastic bag, which is very good considering the rain we've had. And I will just now open this up. Well sealed, in the sense that I don't know how to get into the box. I'll figure it out. I have to. There's clothes in there. I need to. Right, so in here I have got a card that gives a discount code to you guys of 10%. 10% discount. You'll get a 10% discount off a box. I'll give you the code. I'll put it down below. If you open up Show More, you'll find it there. Right, they've sent me 5 items. Totals £185 and 5 pence. If I get them all, buy them all, I get a 25% discount of £45.76, bringing it down to £137. There's also a little letter that says, "Oh, welcome to Lookiero." Pip is my stylist. Cardboard piece that I'm not quite sure what that's for. There's a bag for the returns, labelled already. There's cards with the items on. Little. I'm not going to look at those because I don't want to spoil the surprise. I will look at them after I've opened up the package. But I have got packages of come wrapped like this in paper, and there are actually 1, 2, 3 little packages. Okay, let's open the bag first. That is a pretty colour. The design is to be distressed, I reckon. Slightly distressed looking bag. Unusual, and would go a lot with a lot of my clothes. It's my sort of colour. The bag is priced £30. Next little pack of clothes here. I can tell you straight away, this is not for me. That is not my colour. Look, I do not wear that colour. I'm a warm colouring, and so even if that fitted and was my style, I could not keep that. I'll try it on for you, but that will have to go back. The dress from a Zit Hippie. I will try that on. It's a casual looking dress anyway. I'll try it on to see. It's not actually my colours, because if you look, it's got the sort of pink in that's similar to this pink, which would go well together. They're right for a blonde. That would look lovely. But I'm not. I'm a warm colouring. There's more red in my, so that's not my colour scheme. But for a blonde, those two together would look great, well styled. Button, which is always useful. That's called from a brand called Best Mountain, and that is £24.30. I've never heard of Best Mountain as a brand. Jeans from Only that are a brand called Only, and they're £35. Not a bad price for jeans. The denim jacket, the pink denim jacket, is £47.25. The dress is £37.80. Right then, time to go and try these on. So this is the dress. It's casual. I like casual dresses, you know, slouch around, hands in pockets, and it's the right length. I'm keeping it for that reason. It surprised me. I'm showing you. Look, absolutely awful on me, yeah? Love the style, my sort of thing, just wrong colour. Totally wrong colour. It fits lovely. It fits lovely. In another colour, it would be great. Now, I'm in the t-shirt. I've tucked it in the front here. It's nice feel actually. Feels good quality. Yes, quality wise, yes, really good. I think it would keep its shape and so on. I think it feels a good quality. I just don't need a t-shirt this colour or shape, so I'm not keeping that. Now the jeans, on the other hand, that surprised me. I have rolled them up underneath, but they're elastane. They're skinny. I know we're not. You know, the shop's trying to show us other shapes, but I go around and I look at people, and I'm looking at the girls in the office and so on. Everyone is still wearing skinny, and these are elastane. They're dark wash. They've got a bit of distressed colour fading on the front. No distressed as in tears. I've been able to roll up, so I don't need to take them out or cut them. They fit me, which is a huge bonus for jeans. You know, around, they're a good shape on me. So I am keeping the jeans. Very, very pleased with those. Okay, the stylist did say, you know, try layering the jeans, the t-shirt and the jacket together. Now, I've said I'm not keeping the jacket. It's just not me, not my colour at all. I just thought I would show you, in case it is yours, how that would look. I think she's right. You know, I think they've put together outfits. This jacket will go with the dress and it will go with this. If it had been my colour, perfect styling. It's just not. So I'm going to have to put feedback on there that I don't want pink. Here's the bag. I actually quite like this. You know, it's quite boho being slightly distressed. It looks vintage because of the quite nice little casual bag. Got material inside. I'll show you it better downstairs. Actually, I'll do that. I'm not keeping the bag, and there's a reason for that. I really like it. I think there's two reasons actually. One is the price. I don't like it enough for £38.70. The other is the lining is a material dark red. I can see that on the label there. There's some colour transfer. So I'm afraid that I'm going to get, you know, things inside this bag will get red. The other thing is that's likely to happen in Britain because of the fact we have so much rain. So it's not going to be a practical bag for wearing out when it's raining. Jeans at £35. I think that's a really good price for those jeans. I find it incredibly impressive that they fit me around the hips and the waist. So I'm keeping the dress because I haven't got anything like that. I will wear it and on holiday, wear it in summer in the UK when it gets warmer. I think that'll be a really useful item. Yes, so you know my reason for the bag. I'm returning that. You know my reason for the blue jacket, returning that. And this button, returning that. I'll pack that lot up. I have packed up the 3 items. I've done the checkout, which just means you say which ones you're keeping, which ones you're returning, and you have options to be able to say why you're returning the items, which just will help there next time. It didn't give a stylist fee deduction, but it also didn't give a stylist fee on the invoice charge, so I'm not entirely sure if I've paid a stylist fee or not. Do remember if you know, if you want to do Lookiero, I will be putting a code down below that will give you 10% off your first box. And yeah, catch you in another video. Thank you for watching. Hope this was useful. I'm just pleased I got some jeans and a dress.